Hey everybody, welcome back to WordPress for Beginners. This is Roger Eastlick with businesswebsiteceo.com, and in this section we're going to take a look at the appearance settings within WordPress. As you can see, one of the first things in the appearance group is the themes. That's pretty important because without a theme your WordPress would actually display a blank page, so you really do need a theme. As you can see, active by default is the 2014 theme, and you also have alternatively with the default install of WordPress, you have the 2012, the 2011, 2012, and the 2013. And you also have the ability to add a new theme, whether it be from the WordPress theme directory or from a third-party vendor or someone that's offering up one for free, or maybe from your own designer that has designed something for you. Let's take a look at the customize section. For the active theme, you're going to be able to pull up this section, and it will allow you to edit various parts of that theme. It starts out with the site tag and title and tagline. You can modify those or even uncheck the box to not even display the site title and tagline. The next thing you can do is you can change the site colors. You can change the site title color by clicking on select color here, and you can either put in a color through with the number of the color, or you can choose the set fixed color down here, or you can even use the color picker to determine what kind of color you want to set it to. Once you've done that, that would give you a different title. As you can see up here, mine is now red. You can also do the same thing for the background color. Also, a part of the customized settings is the header image. You can add a header image, a background image, set the static front page if you'd like to. By default, of course, WordPress is going to show you your latest posts, and if you click on the static page radio button, then it's going to give you an additional section which allows you to specify what page you want to show as your front page, and also an alternative page that you want to show where you want to show your blog posts. The featured content, this is something that is within the 2014 theme, and you can do the grid layout, or you can actually use a slider, and it offers you a tag name of featured, but you could use a different tag name if you wanted to, and you can uncheck the box if you don't want the tag to show on the front end. You've got widgets, which show the widgets for the primary sidebar, the content sidebar, and the footer widget area, which you can add and remove and modify right from here. And that looks like that's it for the customize section. We can cancel out of this. And let's go to the widgets section. Now the widgets section is something where you can customize the widgets that appear in a particular theme, and this will be here whether or not they're anywhere else or not. So you can see from this widgets dashboard, if you will, that you've got again the primary sidebar, the content sidebar, and the footer widget area. These can be minimized or expanded, and also can be, well, I guess it can't be moved around. You can expand these and minimize these as you wish to make it so it's easier to see. Over here are the available widgets on the left hand side, and I think on the bottom you've got your inactive widgets. Once you take one out, for example, if you took one out and drag it over to the left side to get rid of it, then if you scroll down you're going to see that it's no, I guess it's up here. But we haven't saved it. Well, we did save it, didn't we? Let's see. Anyway, you can drag it back for sure. You can drag it back if you want to, back into that same area, and drag it back up again. Right. So that is the widgets area. The next area is the menus section. The menus section, by default, they don't have any menus created. At least not for the 2014 theme. You are able to create the menu or menus as you wish. It really depends on how many menu areas you have for the particular theme. And that is where you would do that. The header is, once again, we saw this already in the customize section. This is where you would add a banner image instead of the text into your blog post or into your website. You can choose a file here, and you can also determine whether or not you want to show the header text with your image. You can select another color for the text within the header if you would like to, and you can save the changes. Background image is the same thing. This is where you can put a background image in and select the background color if you'd like to. And the editor is where you can actually, right from the WordPress backend, you can edit your theme or any one of the themes that's installed, as you can see from this drop down box right here. You need to be really careful if you are going to edit the either the style sheet or one of the templates from this backend, because if you mess up, then you could be left with a non-working website. Okay, in the next video we're going to jump over into the plugins section. This is Roger Eastlick with businesswebsiteceo.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.